Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m unu mgbe zasụkọmara m onye ọbụla na-asị ka ọ dịrị Igbo niile ma ọ dịrị nwoke ma ọ dịrị nwaanyị biko na ọ nwere ihe mere na Malaysia nchọkwu nnene vidiyo nwe na-afụ n'aka ebe nchọ ka mmecha mplay the full video kwunu solukwa m wee fọlọ maka anya bụ ihe bụ ezigbote gịnị ihe nwute na ebe ọ bụ na Igbo na like amụọ m na gịnị mmụ m na ọdịtị na ọbụzi na Igbo afọrọ onwe ha n'anya turuturu kọ maka gịnị ekwulu na anya ukwu vidiyo na nkịta bụ vidiyo nwanne na nwanne bi ndị Igbo mana ọ bụrụ ofu nne ji ha mana nwanne na nwanne bụkwana gịnị based on ofu asụsụ ka ndị atabi niile ya bụ ihe wee mee na Malaysia na nwanne na mmadụ ihe na-esere nwanne na nwanne egote ọgwụ egotere ọgwụ nke ọzọ si na arụ na ayọ ba kemis ka o jegolo ọgwụ maka mmiri na-ezo na-asị ndị na-enọ n'ọnabago according to ka akụkọ si wee kọọ na the video unu ya anụ ya o wee sị ka ọ naba 30 minutes 45 minutes call bata na two black people na anụ ọgụ ofu onye amagbuo n'ofu wite mma awareness organizing unu ụbọchị mmadụ tacha afụ macha ihe niile ọ ya emeluzie mba ofesi ọ ya agbawa mbọ gbasibe mbọ ike ka ọ dịrị ya na mma ka ọ natakwana ka ezinụlọ ya mee soli ya ṅụli ya ọ bụrụzi n'ozi ka ya na-ebunata nwanne gị ọ bụrụ dị na ka na ọnwụrụ ọnwụ chie na ọnwụrụ ọnwụ nwanne gburu nwanne ya kehe ya akọ ịmagbuo nwanne gị according to the news a sị na nke amagbu na-eme ọfụma na nke magbulie anara eme ọfụma ewe na azịzị ma gịnị ọzi maka ekwulu na anya ukwu ma eji ewere mma magbuo nwanne gị ọ bụzi gịnị ekwulu na anya ukwu ka eji were mma wee magbuo nwanne gị ya bụ ihe gịnị ọ na-adị mma ọ dịrọ na mmanụ so biko asị m ka unu were ohere unu necha vidiyo nụ nkaba na-arụchie ya ka ndị ọzọ wee sorokwa gị gịnị wee fụrụ maka mgbe dị gaa magbucha nwanne ya nwoke ahụ na mma a sị na ọje gịnị na ọje nwa gịnị liquid soap mana ịmago ka wee ndị ọcha chede a ya eme keshọn na revival gị ka iwe gịnị iwe answer your own persecution amalakwara ihe bụ iwe gị ji wee gbuo ya gịnị mee unu wọcha review na afụkwa na onye magburu mmadụ na na-etrit emechabe gịnị trit bịa ka e wee nwa gịnị ka o wee nwekwa n'ike pụta ya bụ ihe bụ gịnị ezigbote ihe mwute ana ihe hele na Igbo na-achịpụta onwe ha ụkpa n'ụlọ chịpụta onwe ha gịnị ọkpa n'ezi nwe vidiyo nke ọzọ mere n'Ugwu steeti nwatakịrị je maka na mme ya si eti na nwanne ya nwoke ihe owele mma magbuo mme ya nye ya n'ime ọhịa ọ bụrụ gịnị maka gịnị na-ese gịnị onye Igbo mekọ ihe mba ọzọ kwesịrị na mba ọzọ anụ ya biko gịnị nene vidiyo ya biko the very very watchful and gịnị be prayerful that's the only thing ma gwa gị the gịnị watchful and gịnị prayerful maka na onwe ha onye jekwa ime ikwu ihe ya eme echi biko nene vidiyo ya nwa ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ.
Hello my people, good morning from here, good evening depending where you are. It's really a black Thursday here in Malaysia, being 14th of December 2023. Something terrible happened between two friends. The guy named called KC is the disease, and the guy named called Michael. Michael is KC's friend. He was living in Amampuri before, and later he left. No one knows where he's staying again. But suddenly he came yesterday to KC's house around 9 in the morning, and KC accepted him as his friend. And he told KC, according to that, he'll be leaving today, which is Friday, because we're already in Friday now. So KC left him in the evening. He said that he's not feeling well. Around evening time, he came to buy medicine. So some guys who saw him, his family, was telling him, KC, stay with us. The rain is about to rain. Just stay with us. Let's be here. He said no, he wants to go, but he's not feeling fine. I believe that is when his body is telling him something. And he left. Suddenly, within 1 hour to 2 hours, we had two black men are fighting, and one stabbed each other, and the other one died. On getting to the condo, Amansatu, Amampuri, Block 2, 10th floor. This Michael has already stabbed Casey to death. No one knows what happened, but I believe it's envy and jealous because this Casey is doing well on himself, and Michael is just walling about. So I believe it's jealous and envy. So my brothers and sisters, I want you to share this video. This is Casey, the disease. And this guy, you see now, this one is Michael, the one who stabbed Casey to death. And you can see him now, the ambulance come to pick him because when he stabbed Casey to death, he went and drank soap, liquid soap, so that he also died. But unfortunately, the police people got on time and give him something to drink, so he started vomiting. So you can see him now. Just watch this video. Yes, you can see him. They are taking him to the hospital. And we have been here since more than 5 hours. We have been standing here waiting for the police people to bring down the disease, which is Casey. So as you can see, this is Casey and this is the disease. You can see they are about to take him. They already wrap him on a black nylon. They are taking him now to the mortuary. So my brothers and sisters, I want you guys to understand something. Whenever you have a friend who has spirit of envy and jealousness, do not be in the room with that person alone. Especially if you have a friend and you are doing well and is not happy with you, you may find out not everybody that laughs with you has good intention. And another thing is that if you have a problem with someone and later on you settle your case and you reconcile with the person, forgive, but do not come close to the person like before. Give him 10 miles. Because no one knows the reason why he stabbed this young man to death. If not because of Facebook policy, I could have shown the video where he stabbed KC. He stabbed this guy more than 15 times. Oh my God. Oh my God. Some people are heartless. This world is full of wickedness. KC is a pity, but may your soul rest in peace. I trust Malaysian government. Michael, you will see what you do yourself, what you did to yourself when you get to the prison. Just watch this video. Oh my God. Please share this video. I don't even know what to say. I'm not getting myself. Help me to share this video for people to learn. Not all friend is friend. Not everybody that say my friend is friend. Be wise. Don't bring people to your house. If you are staying alone, do not bring friends to your house. Don't allow anybody to come your house. If you want to see your friend, come outside, in the bar, in the mall. When you see him finish, discuss what you want to discuss with him and leave. Go your home. Do not allow anybody to come and visit you, especially if you are living alone. Beware and be wise. There's a danger, especially if you are doing well in yourself. Not everybody opening teeth is happy with you. This is envy. You stab your own friend that have been feeding you for more than 13 years. You stab him to death because of envy and jealousness. Casey is a pity. But may your soul rest in peace. Help me to share this video for people to learn and see what happened in Malaysia between two Africans.